can't be walking like this all the time. We need to style the bump. Whee! Hey! It is ankara to me. It looks like ankara. I'm so happy. Hello curious, welcome to my channel. My name is Dominique and I share with you my eclectic good life. And now I'm sharing with you my pregnancy journey, okay? But we have a problem. Okay, we have a problem. If I go back, you will see it. Yeah. Ta-da! We can't be walking like this all the time. We need to style the bump. But because I'm extra, I'm not that normal chick. I'm not that common and, you know, usual, boring. I wanted some ankara stylings, and the best thing is to do it yourself. So let me remove this so that so I love DIYs, obviously, and I'm not a professional sewer, but I try some work, and I will start with thumbnailing. Let's tie the bump. I'm tripping. So first dress, which I did myself, is the first dress ever in my life that I am doing. Like, I sewed myself, really. I'm really proud. Nobody should criticize anything because there is a kind of happiness and pride from doing things yourself. It's not that so this material is actually not an ankara, but it looks like an ankara or wax, whatever, sanza, wrapper, you name it. But I bought it. It was like a summer cover. Well, it is a cover actually. So I folded it on the floor, and because I'm a lazy person sometimes, and this was already sewed, so I didn't have to sew it again. It's a lot of work, people, believe me. And then I just fold it, cut the left and right parts, and the angles are what I use for these hands. And then I removed it, attached the pockets. Pockets is another difficulty. It's not easy. It's not easy for a hobby, really hobby people. I never learned. I try, I fail, I undo, it's a process, okay? But I don't know, when I'm holding this like this, I just feel so happy. So and then when you have the pockets and you've done this lazy part, what I'm talking about, and I had to go with wide pockets because the material was not that much. I wanted the gown to be really generous. I love it, and I don't have a short one. I decided to do the pockets wide. So let me press this up. So moment of truth, let me try it. Like, I haven't yet tried it, but I'm feeling as if it's going to be great. Oh yes, I wanted this fullness. Oh yes, wow. Okay, Wow. People, there are some mistakes here and there, but I'm not going to tell you people where I had my failures. Wow. And I still have this material. I think I showed you. The price was, okay. Sometimes they are too low, but I think this is okay. It's perfect. Wow. So I was saying I bought the material at not even €5 because it was a IKEA family. What you use a card and you still get 30% off. So it was something, I don't know, €3.50 for the material. So let me back up so we can see how this looks. I see. Wow, the fullness of it. Like wow. Oh, that's nice. Really. I feel like this, I love the color and they gather the fullness. So I wanted to ask my mom to send me some of these clothes, but I'm a very, how am I going to say that, difficult client. Like, But after sewing this, I'm not going to complain anymore. I promise. Like, if I give my clothes to somebody, it's not how I wanted it, I will say thank you and go home. Like, it is a lot of work. But, you know, doing it yourself, you can really put a lot of material. Where's my bump? Which was the goal. Oh, another problem is I'm a little bit tall, so most of the time the things are like this on me, and with my bum, it's sometimes too short for my liking. Okay, we're not against being sexy moms or sexy women, but when we want it, right? So, wow, I don't know what you think, but this much material in one dress, you can barely buy something like this on the street, in the market. Even sometimes when you give a lot of material for them to be sewing it, sometimes I feel they don't use all your wrapper, like your 6 yards. I like, oh, Dominique, shut up. It's just a feeling like I really like this fullness. Like, you can't see my bump anymore. Oh Lord. Let me use pockets, and I love having 2 pockets, not just one. Can you imagine? I did it! I did it! Oh, wonderful. This is wonderful. Like, oh, I never knew it was going to come out this way. Whee! Oh, that's... People, these ruffles here, this is a lot of work. Like, if you can sew or have experience and you are seeing my mistake, please don't comment it. Please don't comment it. Like, okay, I'm trying. It's the first dress. I'm trying. Hold on. The goal is to be able to sew something like this one day. It's more complicated, and this is what I've been wearing. So this is my goal, but it's a lot of steps. I don't know, I have to practice. It's a very old one, and you see the material which I was talking about. So, but I feel like a little girl. Hey! And the pockets, y'all. I told you where my material is from, so it can be a year or a year for you people, but it's the cheapest way to get to materials, right? Wow. I don't know, do I have to gather at the... Maybe I'm just being a perfectionist as usual. Or make it lower. But the thing is, it really goes to my knees. So, wow. Wonderful. It feels great. So, that was it. My first edition of styling the bump. And DIY styling the bump. Ankara edition. It is Ankara to me. It looks like Ankara. I'm so happy. Let me know how you found the dress and if you saw the mistakes I made. And how is the material? Like, can we go out with this material even though it is an IKEA like bargain, whatever? Anyways, if you watch so far, please honor me by subscribing down there. Thumbs up, and hope to see you next time. Stay curious and creative. Yeah, stay curious and creative. Bye. Mwah.